So today I'm gonna show you how to create a free self-intro video through internet. First of all, go to Bytable site. Here you can see so many drop-down boxes. Here you can find so beautiful ready-made templates in different niche. Before making that video or edit that video clip, make sure write some sentences in a notepad about yourself so that it will become so easy to create that video. I'm selecting this video and then edit this video. Select file to upload. Here you can choose any of your photo or image. It totally depends on your taste. As you can see, I'm already write some sentences about myself in a notepad. Let's preview. Done, it's working. Then go to next scene. Upload your image. You can crop it or circle it as you wish. Use appropriate sentences. I'm selecting this sentence and gonna paste it here. Then go to next slide. Upload your image. Open folder or open file. Copy, then paste it right here. You can choose another video templates. It totally depends on you. If you like that, you can use this video template. Upload image. Use beautiful images and high resolution images so that your video looks so beautiful. Otherwise, low resolution images will crack here. So nobody will like your video. Not only change those images or sentences, but also you can change this video template's color. Select background music, then preview. Before that, we have to edit this video in timeline. Then we will try rest of the parts. use Ctrl plus C button of your keyboard to copy a sentence, and then Ctrl plus V is for paste. Actually, shortcuts make your editing faster, so you can use shortcut if you want to create a video fast or anything fast. It's our 12th slide. You can add here your logo and your tagline. I'm just upload my logo, nothing else. Then pick a color. I'm selecting purple color. Then select an audio file from here. You can find so many audio files here. Try one by one for best audio file for your introduction video. And these audio files are totally royalty free or copyright free, so you can use those. You have to wait for a few minutes. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes to complete rendering of this video, so keep calm. Your video is now rendering. Wait for a few minutes. Our video is complete. Let's see how about that. It's fine. So let's download this video file. If you want to download this video file, you have to be a premium member. Otherwise, watermark will be visible in the video. But if you want to replace this watermark, I will show you some tips and tricks so that you can replace those watermarks. So follow my video tips and steps clearly. You can replace these watermarks by shapes or annotations. Carefully replace this, otherwise your sentence will be cut out. Expand this. Expand. It's working. Looks like editing this video is complete. Then open recorded video. Then hide those watermarks by shapes or annotations. Number 8, finish that video and save it to your PC. If you want to edit more, you can use these options. Here you can find so many options, so don't worry about to edit more. Yes, our video is okay. Everything seems cool. Okay, let's enjoy my self intro video.